Hey, ask me. Come back to life. Today, cloudy day in Stockbridge, Georgia. I'm gonna try to start this go-kart. It's a Firefox 620 bought it at Northern Tools. It has a Mitsubishi 6 horsepower GT 600, and it's pretty cold out here. And we're gonna start it cold. We've had it running one time. Thing's just cold. Don't let go of the brake. Okay, move over.
Now buckle.
You did not have to buckle up. Let off the brake. You can let off the brake. It's not gonna roll. It's still cold. The clutch is really cold, and it's not gonna move when it's cold. Okay. Now that I'm finished yelling at him. Oh, real fast. Sorry about that. It's a Timberland go-kart.
Put on the brake.
I don't need to put on the dang brake. You buckled.
Yes.
She's real cold, so she won't be going pretty fast right now. I think it was last Saturday that we rode it. Piece of crap. From last Saturday, we just have a little block of snow left.